Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Yeah, I don't do videos like daily, you can say. I stopped a little bit doing some videos. So yeah, I'm now gonna try to do the part 3 of house. So let's get on it. I wanted to like say the intro is big until I do the video all the time. No. Do it a lot, like I was always doing like the two parts. I think it was a new tower. So what about to change this into a pro tower? It would be also amazing. Wouldn't be get that time like to beat this. Got lagging a little bit. Oh no. Okay, I think we're gonna go for the pro tower. So I don't know if we go for the pro tower. Yes or no. But I think we need to go to pro tower. So yeah, I'm here. Yay. Okay. It's hard to win forever, really. So much. Oh my god, I hate this round. I hate this round like much that on myself. I hate this round really badly. Oh my god, I did first time. Try, I mean. First try. Oh my god. I'm gonna try to do a video on April 1. So it's a new month. I don't know about this yet. It could be, I could do on April 1. But I'm gonna keep it a secret without saying what I'm gonna try to do. Yeah, okay, it's fine. It's really fine. Oh my god, no, die. No, I don't wanna die. Because, yeah, you can see my change, yeah, a little bit, you can see. Change it. And this is for coronavirus. COVID-19. I don't know. It's you could say COVID-19. This is hard. The first round is hard. I did it like twice times. I don't know how. Really hard. Let me jump on this one. I'm a bot and I cannot jump on this one. Is this believable? Unbelievable. Oh, no, I jumped late. I wasn't gonna do it. Okay, this jump is good. I'm gonna go for here because it's better, yeah. Oh my god, wait a minute. Let me get in here. Looks like this. No, I can't do this. I wanna be specifically before it comes. No. I hate this game. It's easy, a little easy. I do it, but in the last jump, this is a hard one. Okay, you got a razor. Why did I leave? Gathering, yay, finally, draw. I can't do. Okay. This time. I have a smiling face, but I can't see it. You can't see only my hand. Haircut. My hair is not that short. It's only short on the game. You please. Okay, nice. So yeah. No. Do not think about this again. I died. This is creepy. I do the thingy, but I die on this. This makes sense. Okay, finally. Think smart. I hate this game. Why did even I play this game? For part 3, it's nice for only 2 parts. But part 3, nah. Well, at least I'm trying to do videos. I don't have the mood for that. Like, Yeah. I play like you could say more than 1 hour on the day Roblox. I don't know. Wait, what's this? Okay, I wanna just jump. Jump. This round. If I die, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm whistling. I'm not. I hate this game. Oh, yeah, I hate it. Anyways, what's gonna happen? I hate this game. Later on this video, I'm gonna be shouting as an angry boy. No, angry girl. Angry girl. Okay, I just wanna try to roll this. Jump this. Am I that bot? Until I'm gonna die like this? Yep. Yes, let's go. I don't wanna be dumb again. I wanna try to do this. At least a time. At least a time. Okay, I'm going good. I'm later gonna go down because of the lag. A little more lags, a little more lags, a little more lags. Oh my god, I'm lagging so much. No, I wanna just at least to do this because if I did it, I'm gonna kill myself. Wow! You wanted me to do it on the end? Like, this is really unfortunate. Is this a round? Did I play this round before? Or I didn't? I don't think so. Like, yeah, I don't think so. No, please. Yes, I got out. No, I got lagged. I hate this chair. Wait, this game isn't a game. This game is a bra. Yeah, I hate this game so much. Not only one, but two. I could dislike this video, but not dislike the video. I mean, I would dislike the game, not the video. I don't know, the pro people don't get angry when they lose. This is unbelievable. Oh, shut! This game is horrible. I like to say, I don't like this. I don't like this. I said I don't like this. Let me jump. Yeah, Josh side. Suck my luck. Suck is this some luck? What am I saying luck? Just got it on the first two. Yay. Okay, she's locking this. Oh, shift locking this. That I skipped this balance. No, please don't lag on the last of the day. Of my, I'm not gonna complete. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Shield. You have some shields on the back. That does attack. No, please. That's nice. I think you guys can hear my spacebar clicking. It's like hearable. Hearable. Wait, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. Jump, 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 jump. Yay! Jump, 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 jump. Okay, it's time to shine. The single nine. It is time to shine. Okay. Hey, it's because of the hacking. It's not perfect really timing on this invisibility. I want to really know who did it, but I don't want to open the chat. Okay. No! Yeah! Okay, fine. At least I fell. But a sling is a pro tower, and if I didn't do this, I'm gonna be a bot. I only have 4 more minutes to do this. Because I want to end the video. No. I'll have to not end the video. But yeah, like, unfortunately, the video ends by itself on 15 minutes. So I cannot win a pro in this amount of time. So I need from you help, guys. If anybody's watching, because we still are beginners on YouTube, if anybody is gonna be seeing this video, please comment what application or where I record. So yeah, I wanna know where do I record. Like really, I wanna know, because I don't find any application or anything like that. I like to see like you wanna steal something. So yeah, I'm trying to win. It's not a perfect time. Oh, fast! I don't want fasting. This could lose me in here. Who did fasts? I want to kill him. Lying. However, who did it? Don't need to say anything on him except for So okay, I'm gonna go ding around it here. Okay, I'm going well. I'm going really well. I'm going well. Oh, nice. Because I have speed, so I was aware. Okay, nice. I'm almost to win. No! Unfortunately, I was going back. So I think I'm gonna end this over. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys love this. Please smash that like button with the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see me when I'm done with the video. It's gonna get you a notification that I did a video, so you could watch it if you're a fan. But I sure know because we are still beginners of the YouTube. So yeah, if you would like to put the subscribe button and the like button if you love this channel and love my videos. I know I don't do daily for the I know I need to get my mood on YouTube a little bit. So I hope I do the video. So thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks so much. Bye, guys. Love you. Bye. Oh my god, I fell. Is this an outro or an intro of falling? Why didn't you guys close the video?